We'll guide you through how to force restart an iPhone with a frozen screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you found your iPhone has gone frozen on an app, on the homepage or elsewhere, and you're concerned that you aren't going to be able to go and use it, and you need to because of course it's your phone. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. So to do this, we're going to perform a forced restart. And to do that, we need to go and press the buttons in a certain combination in order to do this. So what you want to do is go and press the volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. Now tap and hold that down. Shortly, the screen will go black. Keep it held down. As you can see, it's now gone black. You're going to keep that button held down until you see the Apple icon. Then you release. So now it's going and starting. And when it comes back on, the forced restart will have completed and the problem should hopefully be solved. We'll keep waiting, and just like that, it's now back on. Let's go and unlock it. And that's it. We can now use it.